Hello, welcome back to this lesson. Ike Olubi-Obaku, your chief host and creative director of Mix and Bake Online School. In this lesson, we will be lining our pan. So I'm sure by now you know how to line a pan, but for the benefit of those newbies and starters, I just want to show you how to line a pan. So basically what you need is your wax paper, greaseproof paper, brown paper, whatever kind of paper that you can use for baking. All right, so I will just place it on it just to mark for the base part. Okay, then I'll quickly cut and trim. Cut and trim. So basically what you just need to do is brush a bit of just a bit of butter or oil or something, just a little bit. That's to make it stick to the base. All right, so the next thing is the one on the side. So what I will do regarding that is I will measure to see the length I need. It can of course go above, so I will fold. Is that I cut it widthwise or lengthwise. Okay, so I'm just going to cut mine widthwise and cut quite a bit. So I'm going to fold it over because I'll need about 3. So I'm going to fold it over. I already have one cut out already. All right, so I will then trim. And also do the same here. So again, a little oil or butter, that's so that our paper sticks to the side. Okay, so I'll just place each one. So this overlaps it. Remember, I'm using my width measurement. So if it was the length measurement, I would just have one going all around. But sometimes I like to be economically correct, so I don't waste anything, because really this would also work perfectly. All right. So our pan is ready to receive our cake batter. Okay, this is the end of this lesson. In the next lesson, we'll be moving straight to the beginning of mixing our white chocolate cake. So hang on, don't go anywhere, don't let anything distract you. The good thing about the Mix and Bake online classes is you can be anywhere and be watching. You can watch on your phone, you can watch on your tab, you can watch on your laptop or computer, anywhere around the world. Alright, so sit back, relax. I will be back in the next lesson to show you the next step in creating this awesome white chocolate cake. Thank you for watching my drama. See you in the next lesson. Bye.